To make a histogram inside of JMP, we first need a quantitative variable. You can identify quantitative variables by the blue icon next to the variable. So let's go ahead and select age and then go to Analyze, Distribution. We'll double click the variable, which will put it into the Y columns. Next, let's go ahead and click OK. Now it first appears in vertical layout, but we can change this with the top red arrow and clicking Stack. This will change it to a horizontal layout. Now we can make some adjustments to our histogram right here by grabbing the window and changing the size of it. We can also double click the axis right here and change it by typing in new numbers for the max, the min, and also the increments. You'll see a preview at the bottom of the window showing you what it looks like. In addition, we can add things to the histogram with the second red arrow going to Histogram Options. We can add things like a count axis, which will now appear on the histogram, showing us the amount of observations that are in each bin. There's a lot more options to go over. Feel free to take a look at them and make the histogram the way you want to.